So wonderful people, today we are at Georgia Aquarium. Come and join us to explore this place. Let's go!
Let's go!
By the way, if you don't know about the Georgia Aquarium is the largest aquarium in USA. I think it's like number 5th in the world. Yes, number 5th. So come and join us to explore this place. Parking here is $20. It's indoor parking. Very hard to find parking on the street. So if you want to come here, yeah, just use your parking lot. Right, welcome to Georgia Aquarium, everyone. Oh, we're gonna take a picture too here, right? Why not, right?
Hi.
Security check. Thank you. Okay, so we're already in the welcome area here. And check it out, the jelly. Ooh, jellyfish, colorful. Welcome to Georgia Aquarium, everyone. There you go. On your left, the treasures of the seas. That's the gift shop. We're gonna check it out later. And I don't know where to start. Where should we start, guys? This is a picture spot here. Let's take a picture here. Okay, we are in the entrance area here, like in the middle of the Georgia Aquariums. This place is huge. Just look around here. We're not sure where to start. There's a tropical diver, the sharks area over there. And there's the ocean voyager, and there's the cold water crabs, dolphin coast. What is this? There's the river scout. All right, we gotta make our decisions. Where do we start, guys?
There.
The predator of the deep?
Yeah.
The predator of the deep it is. Let's go. Our first stop, let's go. Wow. Whoa, it seems like we're in the ocean. Look it up. Megalodon, 65.5 million years ago. Guys, is that a real shark or is that a TV? It's a real shark, man.
This one they usually bite people, right?
Yeah, tiger.
Tiger shark.
They eat anything.
Fascinating. Oh my god.
They still got them here.
Wow, another one there. Whoa, this one is what?
Tiger. You can
That's
see
tiger
from the
shark?
spots.
Oh, the spots. You know it from the spot. Alright.
White tip you get from the tip of
What
the
that one?
hammer.
Hammerhead shark.
What?
Oh.
Don't hit me. Why is it always going like that?
Oh, this one's cool. It's a pretty cool place, guys. Look at the shops. Are they touch screen?
Yeah, but this screen, this one.
There you go.
I wanted to listen to the...
Alright, we're done here. Let's check the next one. This is the Trust Pier Sea Lion Theater and Arcade. This is the arcade area here. Look at those crabs here singing and playing music. I guess we can take a picture here. Start over. Wait, look at the camera there. Oh, can I? Oh, me here. Sea lion show. We're gonna watch that sea lion show. Where should we sit? Wow, it's very crowded today.
Now that you've been introduced to some of our animals, we would love to tell you just a little bit more about them.
Alright, we're done with the sea lion. It shows about like 5-10 minutes. It's very good, very educational. So make sure if you're here, watch the sea lion show. Let's continue.
Next one, let's go to Tropical Diver.
Let's go. Guys, volcano. Volcano Island. Whoa. Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it hot?
Wow.
Yeah. Just kidding. Look at all these colorful fishes. Dory!
My favorite is the fish.
Oh, look at that. Amazing place here. This one is amazing. Look. Whoa, look at the colors.
Ocean Voyager.
Next one is the Ocean Voyager. Big whale.
Whale shark.
I think this is the one that has a big aquarium.
This is diver over there.
We are going to the moving sidewalk. There's diver in there right now, eh? So big. That's a whale shop right there. Marine Sanctuary. Whoa. It's very cool. Let's try to go in there. No, it's not water, it's just a smoke.
I like this.
Next, we're going to River Scout. Let's go. Look at this all small blue fish. These fish is from Amazon. Diane, let's go inside. Alright, let's go inside here. You really need a strong back here to go inside here, right?
Mama, do you like me?
Okay, let's go.
Don't really see anything here though, it's very hard to move. Alright, it's nothing here. I regretted coming in here. This is the clouded archer fish. That's the only red fish there. Oh no, there's one more over there. Doesn't look like butterfly, right?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Right there, that's a butterfly fish.
It's like reflecting.
This is the Asian small claw otter. Where's the otter? Right there, mommy. Alright, let's go to the dolphin coast. Let's go. Man. Alright guys, do you like this video so far? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Dolphin show. This is interesting. Let's go. Ha ha ha, very full. Look at that, so big, so many people here.
We're gonna give all of you a behind the scenes look about what it's like. It's Lily!
Okay, so the dolphin show is okay. I think we like the sea lion shows better. But since you're here anyway, don't forget to watch the dolphin shows. If you want to be safe, reserve the space. If some tips for you, reserve the space and find good seats. Ghost swam. Albino alligators. Alright, let's find. Oh, right there.
Alright, let's go. Exit is that one.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I know.
Is it that strong?
Very
The electric eel's organs are all compressed just behind the head. The rest of the body eel is electricity producing tail. Alright, so we're currently on the top of the aquarium. Let me show you the aquarium. Let's continue. This is the insect area. You see any insects here? Warning, extreme condition ahead. This is a diving. Not working. Strawberry and Nemo. Wood frog. Oh, okay. The froggy. Extreme dry. Okay, now we are in the extreme dry area. Froggy. I see one there. Alright, more interesting facts. The swordfish here is one of the fastest predator in the ocean. The fastest. Giant squid on the top. Amazing place. Ooh, giant squid commonly can grow to 35 to 45 feet. That's big. We are in a glow in the dark area here. Whoa, very slimy, right? Oh, water quest. Next one. Let's go. California kelp forest. Where's the octopus?
Look, it's a sea dragon. Oh,
It's like a seahorse.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's a dragon form. It's a horse. But sea.
Penguin tunnel.
Better than being light than it's dark.
Alright, science in the tunnel. Okay.
Wait, I want to go there. We have to do it a lot of times.
If you want to take picture with Beluga, come here in the ballroom. No one knows about this. Nice place to take picture here.
Oh, beluga whales.
Wow. Here's the food area. They do sell food here if you're hungry, but we decided not to eat here. We're gonna go somewhere else. I think they are selling fried chickens, french fries and pizzas. So yeah, we're tired of eating that, so we're gonna go out, find something else. In the meantime, let's check out the gift shop. The dolls are about $32, $25. Snakes again.
No, it's not. It's an
What is
eel.
that? Oh, that's a eel. Alright. How much is this? $9. Treasure of the sea. This is another gift area here. We're gonna check this out. Okay. 100% organic cotton, plastic free. What is that? Magnet?
Yeah, the magnet. You get this one?
$30. Shock E-Team toys here. Body bags, $35. This is cute. Turtles. They also have these otters. More dolls here, $25 plus.
This is bomb. This is cool.
Alright guys, this concludes our video at Georgia Aquarium. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, consider, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye!
Whoa. Penguin.